Good morning. I want to make a quick video for Peaq because I have identified a very bullish pattern in the chart. Okay, it's called the reversal V bottom pattern. Okay, as you can see, Peaq launched about 3 weeks ago, and price declined sharply. Okay, from this we're gonna use this area here, the highest daily open and close, okay, which was 40 cents, approximately 40 cents. Price declined viciously all the way down to 18 cents. Once it hit 18 cents, however, price started to trend up as aggressively as it declined, right? And we came all the way up back above the highest open and close, okay, for Peaq. If you notice, we are holding support right on top of the highest open and close daily candle. We held support yesterday, and we're holding support today. This is a reversal V bottom pattern. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Does this look familiar? This is exactly what's going on in the chart, okay? It says identify a prior trend in the market. The prior trend in the market for Peaq was the decline, right? There should be a temporary spike or fall in price, either in an upwards or downwards direction. For us, it was a downwards direction. And after the downwards direction, right, we experienced a run up in price back to the same highest open and close on the daily chart. Okay, now that line is the neckline. Okay, the highest open and close and closing above it and holding it as support. That makes the neckline. As you can see, the picture here says target. You see, it says target. The target to measure this V bottom pattern is the distance from the lowest price all the way to the highest open and close. And when you take that distance measurement, you put it on the neckline, of which the neckline is made of from the highest open and close on the daily chart, right? And the place where current price action is holding support, which is above the highest open and close. That imaginary line right there is the neckline. So you want to see price action go over it and pull back and hold the level of support. You see where it says pull back? If you notice, it's doing the same thing on the chart over here. Okay, price declined. As you can see, price declined from launch. Highest open and close, 40 cents. Price declined all the way to 18 cents, right? And then price appreciated just as aggressively all the way past 40 cents. And then price pulled back to hold support on top of 40 cents, which is the highest open and close on the daily chart. And we're holding support there right now. Now, to measure the target of this move, you're going to measure the distance from this neckline right here all the way down to the lowest price. I already did it right here, okay? The distance from this 18 cents to the neckline, you're going to measure it out, you're going to take it, and you're going to place it on the neckline. When you place it on the neckline, you find your target. Okay, in this case, the target for this move, once we break out from this neckline, right? Once price break out this neckline, the target is going to be 89 cents. As you can see right here. Boom, 89 cents. This will happen very fast. Remember, it's going to be price discovery. Like I said, this is no man's land right here. Okay, Peaq never traded up here ever. Okay, so the week high here is about 62 cents. Okay, once we take that out, 89 cents is going to be just going to be the start, because there's no way this does not make it over $1 after reaching them their 90 cents. Okay, so this is going to go fast. If you're waiting for an entry for Peaq, this is your entry. You see this consolidation right here on this neckline? This consolidation, that is your entry. Forget about this. This already happened, okay? If you were sleeping on Peaq while all of this was happening, it's okay. Everybody can buy at the same price, okay? But right now that we're consolidating above this neckline, holding support, this is a very bullish formation, all right? Once this consolidation is done, It's rocket ship all the way to 89 cents, then a dollar. Okay. Now, while this thing is a dollar, like I said again, people are so focused on the tokenomics of Peak. It does not matter. This is an enterprise level blockchain. Have you seen their partnerships? It's mind blowing. Okay, these are the enterprise partners they have. You can recognize a lot of these companies: T-Mobile, Lufthansa, Bosch, Airbus, Audi, Mastercard, Continental. This is crazy. This is not your regular fly-by-night blockchain that just wants to try to be a faster Bitcoin or faster Ethereum. This is not one of those. This is innovation at its best. Okay, and they have the backing behind them. So the tokenomics is not going to matter. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I'm a very pro tokenomics guy. I'm an anal on tokenomics, except for when there's a reason not to be. Okay, Peaq gave me a reason not to be anal on tokenomics. With this kind of backing, I see no reason why Peaq would not fly. Okay, tokenomics or not. Now look at this. This is what they've done in the month of November. This is monthly roundup for November. Community, they got plus 40%. Okay, 487,000 more community members. Devices, 3 million plus more devices. They're up 76% for the month. Deepins, 43 more deepins. Right? Now look at this. Tech and product. USDC is on Peaq, on chain, only 3 weeks. 3 weeks after launch of mainnet. There are blockchains in the top 10 that have been in crypto for the past 7 years and haven't gotten USDC support. This kind of backing is what lets me understand that Binance and Coinbase support is not too far off. Now, when Binance and Coinbase starts to support Peaq ecosystem, when Binance and Coinbase starts to support Peaq ecosystem, there is no like nobody's gonna care about tokenomics then. You understand? Nobody's gonna care about tokenomics. What's gonna happen is gonna happen. All right. So staking went live, as you can see. They listed on 14 exchanges. Can you imagine? Peaq launched and listed on 14 exchanges inside the same week. Amongst those 14 exchanges are about 3 top 10 exchanges, I believe, 3 or 4. Right? What do you think is coming next? Just do the math. Do the math. What do you think is coming next? Okay. I think private investors, I think Peaq raised about $23 million from private investors. I think they raised a total of $43 million, and $23 million was from private investors. Now, those private investors, they bought Peaq at like a couple cents. Now, do you think they spent all those millions of dollars buying Peaq for Peaq not to have enough liquidity? I don't think so. This is the same thing Solana did. Okay? So I know Peaq is going to be on Binance and Coinbase within the next couple months. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Right? So these are all the reasons that has me super bullish on Peaq. They have a lot of top tier VCs, like in the tier 1 VCs that invested in Peaq. Now, when tier 1 VCs invest in your blockchain, the tier 1 VCs want you to list on Binance and Coinbase. Okay, that's just how it goes. Anyway, that's the video. Like, share this video. Have any questions? Hit me up in the comment section. Thank you.